Recently, I was on the lookout for another dresser to store all of my toddler's clothes along with her big sister, but I didn't want to spend a lot of money. That's when I stumbled on this YITAHOME dresser with 9 drawers, and I think it's been a really fantastic upgrade. Let me share why this fabric dresser is such a great choice for anyone looking to organize their space. First, the design is both stylish and practical. The dark gray fabric drawers complement any decor, making it perfect for the bedroom, the living room, hallway, or closets, but in my case, the kids' bedroom. And I think it would be a very versatile piece. Like if I wanted to add more storage around the house, it would pretty much fit anywhere. At first, I was concerned about the durability of this, but then I learned that this has a really nice sturdy steel frame along with a wooden top to provide all the support that it really needs. I could literally climb on top of this and it would support my weight. Not that I would recommend that. This dresser feels solid and reliable and capable of holding tons of clothes and a variety of items without any worry about whether it's going to stand up to the job. One of my favorite features is that it pulls out super easy. These drawers glide smoothly and are spacious enough to store all the clothes I need, the accessories, and if I wanted to, I could even store toys or household items. I was surprised about how high quality this fabric was for this price. And the bins are reinforced. So when I test it out, it's not that flimsy. There is a bit of give, but that is to be expected with fabric. The assembly was super easy and straightforward. In fact, my kids are the one who built this. I just came in later and made sure that all the screws were nice and tight. The instructions were very clear and everything fell into place beautifully. It didn't even take that long to put together. I think it took about an hour. And the result, as you see, is a very sturdy and functional storage unit. So if you are looking for an organizer that combines style, durability, and functionality without hurting the budget, YITAHOME dresser with 9 drawers is an excellent choice. It made organizing my space so much easier and it looks great.